this is Jerry. Welcome back to my channel. Today, 2020, I will showing you my signature look. Please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel guys. Happy New Year pala sa ating lahat! 2020 na! Sana maganda yung Pasko nyo guys at New Year. More blessings to come to everybody. Today, ito pala ang first YouTube video ko na i-upload. Before I start, may isasabi pala ako sa inyo na this year, 2020, ito na pala yung signature look ko. Kung anong gagawin sa YouTube channel ko, ito na yung signature look ko. It's depend kung every month, i-change ko yung outfit ko. Para hindi na ako mahirapan guys kung ano yung susuotin ko. So at least I have a signature look na. Pero yung hair, iba-ibang design, at saka etc. Ito pala yung air tips. Ito siya. Iwan ko kasi yung binili ko ito para sa ito siya. Pero yung picture dito para sa nose. So baka next time bibili din ako para sa nose. To make it funny my video. And then ito pala yung outfit ko guys. Little Red Riding Hood. So ito siya. Yan. Nakafocus na ba? Sana nakafocus na. So ito ngayon yung suot ko. I think tapos na. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo at nagustuhan nyo rin tong look na to. New look ko this year. Ito pala yung signature look ko na. Every time I got video, ito yung look ko. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and give this like if you enjoy it, and see you in my next video guys. Bye! Thanks for watching. Happy New Year everyone! Spread love! Bye!